I must say that I use AI for lots of daily activities and to improve my productivity. However, AI in GI endoscopy is new and still controversial. Let's look at what we find in the internet. Here we see that the Veterans Administration Hospital deployed artificial intelligence. Look at this picture. Here we see that another hospital deployed artificial intelligence. It's the same picture. Another hospital is showing that they are using artificial intelligence. And here at the University of Utah, UCH Health, Colorado, the GI Genius is helping experts spot problems during colonoscopy. Problems? What problems? Polyps, diseases, AVMs. I don't know what the title says. And as you notice, it's the same picture. Essentially, it's in the market. And essentially, it's being said that if you use artificial intelligence in AI endoscopy, that's good, and you get a clap. But on the other side, if your doctor requires and depends on AI, he may not be good enough at finding polyps by him or herself. Are we willing to exchange gold, our ability, for mirrors, like it happened during the conquest of the Americas?